Hi everyone, today in this video we will guide you how FieldSense can help you to upload some data into your web portal. Now as you know that the FieldSense itself acts as a CRM service cum attendance service cum Salesforce automation solution to improve your productivity for your on-field personnel who when at any time if wants to call any customer details from their handset device, this will fetch the data from the cloud and sync the details in your handset. So for that you need to have details being embedded in your FieldSense web portal. So this video will guide the admin or the managers or users to upload multiple contacts or multiple customer details or add individually entry at a time in your FieldSense web portal. Let's log in and check how can one achieve the same. Now once you have logged in, this is your user interface. I have to go to the admin interface to start uploading my data into my FieldSense service. Now on the third tab, you have the customers module. So this customer modules are actually the contact details of your customers along with the phone number, contact persons, note, etc. that is being embedded in your FieldSense web portal. And these are the contacts which will be available to your on-field personnel when they are trying either to get in touch with your customers while they are on the move or wants to extract some data related to your customers. On your left hand side, these are the filters that are being associated with the details that we have already incorporated in our FieldSense portal. So, depending on the territory that you have mentioned while uploading your data, the same will get revealed here. Similarly, added or modified if you have done any kind of changes related to your customers, the same will get reflected if you choose your filters. This is the first point to start with. Next, if you go here, you have the search option wherein you can simply search for any of the company or the customer name that you have put in your database for your FieldSense, and the same will get fetched from the cloud and show it to you. For example, let's search with this. So these are the customer names which start with the word quant. So if you want to go ahead, you can search it and simply get the details of that particular customer. Next, you have the import contacts functionality. So if you want to upload bulk contacts related to your specific customers, you can do that. Now how to do that? We have provided a sample file. So let's check how the sample file looks like. So this is my contact file. Now here you have the first name, middle name, last name provided along with your phone number, fax, mobile number. These are all that are associated with the contacts related to a particular customer name or a company name. Now here we also have given other important factors to get information related to a particular contact of the particular company. That is email, that is the assistant name if the person has some assistants to follow. Then you have the spouse name, birth date, anniversary, designation, and most importantly the customer name. So here you have to put in the name of the customer, that is the company name with whom this particular contact is being associated. So once you upload the file, the same will get integrated with the same customer name. Now this was related to contacts. What are the other things that we have? You have the option which is called import customers. So this functionality will help you to upload bulk customer details into your FieldSense service. Also, if you see here, we have given a sample file, so you need to download it, put in all your data associated with different fields that are being mentioned in the Excel file, and then you just upload the data. Do remember that these details has to be in CSV format. So we have downloaded one file from our FieldSense portal, and I have put in few of the customer details. Now here the customer details comes as the customer name, what will be the customer print as will be the location of the customer, is the customer name or the company name the head office. If it's yes, put in yes. If it's no, it's no. the territory the customer belongs to, the industry as well. Then you have the customer phone number. So we have given 3 fields wherein you can put in different contact number of your customer. Similarly, you have fax number as well. So you can put the fax number of your customer. Then you have the email ID that will help you to send mail to that particular customer when there is a need. So you can get all this data filled up in this CSV file and get them uploaded in your FieldSense service web portal. You have the website URL as well. That is, this website are the actual links of the company that you are uploading. Next, you have a second tab, which also, if you have any other website link, you can mention it over here. You have the customer address, which is at the end of your CSV list. Now, I have already created my list and I'll just upload it. Let's go to FieldSense. Now, here you have to select File. Let's select the list that I have saved. Click on Open. Now, I'll click on Start to start my uploading of information. Now, here you can see that the customer has been created successfully. So, let's again click on Customers and search for the company that I have just uploaded successfully. Now, you have Simico. Okay, so I'll search with the name here. So you can see that the customer has been added. So these are the details. Now, if you want to edit it, here, these are the details that will come right from your CSV list. So these fields were already there. Now here you have one option, which is office building. That is pinned in the building in the adjoining map for accurate results. So it pick up the latitude and the longitude of the company or the customer name where it is being associated. So what you have to do, suppose if the customer is here, so you have to just right click and pin it over there. So it marks the presence of that particular company in your map. Next, these were all the details that were there in the CSV list. So this got embedded in my FieldSense web portal directly from the CSV list. I'll just click on Save. So the customer has been updated successfully. What are the next things that are associated with it? You have the contacts. So here you can manually add the contacts related to this particular company, or you can upload in bulk as was shown just a few minutes back. So here you put the first name. Let's put the first name of the contact. Alright, the designation. Now here you have to reports to, so just put to deputy manager. Fax number, the assistant name. Date of birth. If you want to put in the date of birth, you have to select the same. You have to put in the mobile number as well of that person. Then fax, email number. The email format. Alright, now I'll just click on Save. So this is the contact that is being associated with my particular customer. If you scroll down, there are other fields as well. These are the fields which are already there in the CSV list. So I'll click on Save, close it. Now next you have notes. So if you want to put any kind of notes associated with this customer, you can put it here. What is the next thing? That is visit. So if you want, if you're the admin or the manager and you want to, schedule a visit for your on-field personnel, you have to just go to the customers tab, edit the customer, then go to visit section and click on add new. So here, this page will give you the rights to add a visit for your on-field personnel, which will get reflected right into the on-field personnel's mobile handset. Now here you will get to see the customer name, the contact number. This was the contact number that you have added. Title, date. So let's schedule a visit for tomorrow. What is the start time of the visit? and the end time. What is the purpose? Now here you have to put in the purpose. As you know, this is a customizable module which can be done and which has been shown to you in our previous videos. Who is the owner and who has assigned it to be. Now what is the status? Status is in progress, and what was the outcome? If you want to put in some description, you can put the description here, and let's scroll down and click on save. Okay, so the activity cannot be empty. So I have put as key client under my description. Now I'll click on save. I have also put the title as visit over there. Now this is under processing after I have clicked on save. So the visit has been created successfully. Let's go back to our customers again and check what are the options that you have. Now here the last option that you have, that is to add customer one by one with the details that you have. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the report section and just check whether the visit has been added for that particular on-field personnel or not. So I'll select the member. Select the date and click on show. So this was the customer that I have assigned for this on-field personnel to go and have a visit with the customer. So this is how you can upload multiple data related to your customers in your FieldSense dashboard. In case if you need any other assistance in assembling or in getting your data uploaded into your panel, kindly drop a mail to support@qlc.in or give us a call back. Thank you.